Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Rapido Captain app on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Rapido Captain and tap Search. Once you find the app, tap on it to open the details page. Now, tap Get to download and install the app. The installation may take a few moments, so wait until it's complete. Once installed, open the app, create an account, and complete the verification process. After verification, you're all set to start accepting rides as a Rapido Captain. And that's it. Now you know how to install Rapido Captain on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you in the next video.